Yes, my old friends, how are you? Welcome. This is now I came here in Dera City Center. So now I wanna show you how is the Dera City Center inside. Okay, and this is also looking very nice and very beautiful. Dera City Center is very nice. Dera City Center. There is a crazy guy here also making too much noise for the horns. Okay, so now we are going to inside Dera City Center. So let's go. I'll show you the inside. What kind of is the Dera City Center? Okay, have a look. So this is the Dera City Center. See this one? This is the Dera City Center. And outside area you can see this one. This is the Dera City Center. Okay, my old friends. This is the Dera City Center. See this one. So now we are going inside the Dera City Center. This is also metro station, Dera City Center. Okay, my friends, so we are going now inside. So have a look. Inside we are going. Okay, my old friends. So we are going now inside Dera City Center. See, we have now entered inside the Dera City Center. You can see the Dera City Center inside. So now we are going to upside. So you'll go upside. This is the Dera City Center. Now we are entering inside. You can see here the Dera City Center. This is the map. See this one? This is the map. You can go anywhere with this. Yes, this is the Dera City Center. We have already entered inside. Okay, my old friends. So have a look. This is very good mall as well. This is Dera City Center. They have some foods here. Which one? Tank Pint. Here, this is Tiger Sugar. Look at this, my old friends. A very good place here. See, a lot of all kind of watches here. For the young, for the boy, for the ladies, everything's. For the big one, part here. Here long saloon. See this one? Here long saloon. See, this is very good. Boss dress. And inside, too many bags. Look at this. A very good shop. Here is. This is LM exchange. It means that you can send any money, any country. You can send the money here. This is for exchange. And this is above. This very sweets, goods, everything is inside. See this one? Very good. This is coffee. It's coffee inside the people's. This is Al Ansari exchange inside. See this one? And this is the Caribbean coffee inside the people's. They are enjoying, they are eating all things. And this is Galadari driving school. And this is Let's Swap. A very beautiful. See this one? So now we are going a little down. My old friends. A lot of people are here for shopping, for the coming with the families like this. Look at this, very beautiful inside. This is the Tim Hortons coffee. You can see this one. Very nice this one inside. They make it very big. See this one. They have so many big shops, good shops here. Very beautiful inside. So we are here. R&B. See this one. Kolilob. Kolob. See, very beautiful. See this one. They have a very beautiful shops. They have a very good stores as well. See this one. American Eagles. This is American Eagles. You can see the inside. A very beautiful dresses. All things. Look at this. This is the next one. Very beautiful. Inside the dresses. Look at this. They are very beautiful. See this one? Paul, this one restaurant. A lot of people are here. And this is the Paul and Bear. See this one inside. The good dress, good pant shirts. Everything is available here. You can see this one here. See this one, my old friends here. What is this, ma'am?
This is property in Sharjah and Dubai.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Looking for anything for investment, sir?
Okay, I will check it. Thank you.
Just take WhatsApp.
No problem. Thank you. This is the Reshka, and this is the Sun and Sand Sports. See, all things is inside in sports. About the sports quality, trouser, t-shirts. See this one? You can see this one, very nice. The sports also. See this one, all sports, trouser, t-shirts, bag, shoes, all things is inside. Available here, caps, okay, shortcuts as well. Very beautiful this one shop. I think they have some discount offer, special. They have a special offer also. See this one, Sun and Sand Sports. This is in Dera City Center. Very beautiful here. See this one. This is very beautiful here. See this one also. Score below. They are also having a very good three-piece suits, pant shirts inside. Look at this. Have a look. Very beautiful. See this one. See this one, very beautiful. See. Very nice. Look at this. The dress. The very good special also price this one. 3 item, 329. 3 items. Very nice this one. This is Rivoli. It's mean that this is a shop for the glasses, sunglasses, eyeglasses. Look at this. This is the glasses for glasses shop. This one very nice. You can see this one very beautiful. This is in Dera City Center. Very nice view. You can see this one very beautiful here. This is the Tom's shop. This is all kind of good one shoes here. Also they have some good offer here. Okay, they have a showbarity. This is for the properties, and this is for Burj Azizi. This is also for the properties. So look at this. Have a look. Very nice, beautiful. See this one. Very beautiful. They have something. Yes, how are you, sir? How are you, sir?
How are you, sir?
How is everything good?
Good.
How is your business, mashallah?
Good.
Good.
You're looking for property, right?
Yeah,
Good.
Burj Al Azizi, right?
Yes.
Very
What about
nice.
property investment for you also?
Yeah, no, I'm just a YouTube blogger also, no? Making something like this one. A very good view, no?
That's very
Yeah,
good.
that's good. See the sun. You can see the sun. Very good view inside. Look at this. This is Burj Khalifa, near of Burj Khalifa. You can see the Burj Khalifa here. A very beautiful place here. They make it very beautiful projects. You can join. You can get whatever you want to get. Villas, office, everything whatever you want to get. So this boss is here also. He is presenting here. So thank you so much, sir. Have a nice day. So this is the Dera City Center, my old friends. So you can come here, you can enjoy here. There is so many things here. You can buy, you can enjoy, you can visit here. Everyone is here. Look at this, my old friends. A very beautiful view, and also you can come here. You will be too much happy whenever you come here on this place. This is very nice and good place. Also, everyone is enjoying, eating, shopping. Okay, someone is here enjoying too much. See, this one very good dress for the Zara. See, this is also brand Zara. Look at this Zara. This is the Zara. See, and they were very nice dresses inside. Look at this. See this one. A very nice dress. They were very good quality and good product also. This is the Zara. You can see this one. You can see this one here, my old friends. Very beautiful dresses inside. You can visit here, you can come here, and you can see a very good dress here. You can come and you can buy everything, whatever you want to buy. For the ladies, for the gents. This is the Zara also. Look at this. This is the Zara brand. My old friends, this is all they have a item for the ladies, for the gents, for the all boys, girls. They have some jackets, t-shirts, a lot of things. This is the Balmain. Sorry. This is the Balmain shop. Okay. They are very good. You can buy from here everything for the t-shirts and all things. Look at this. This is also for the project Shobha Realty office. They have some office here. So look at this, the Shobha Realty. Very nice. Look at this, my old friends. You can also want to buy something from Shobha Realty. This is a very good real estate company, and the biggest realty. This is also very nice. Also, how are you? See this one. A very good projects here. You can see this one. Very beautiful. See this one. They have a very nice project as well. And look at this, my old friends. If you want to buy something from Shobha Realty, you can come also and you can contact with the Shobha Realty. Look at this. This is the Shobha Realty. Very nice. Thank you. So this is Shobha Realty also. Okay. And some they have a stalls here. You can see this one. Serendip. How are you, ma'am? Good. This is have some here. Look at this. This is 4 gold, right, ma'am? 18 carat, right? This is 18 carat. Some rings for the ladies, for the necklace, for the all things is here. Very nice. This is installed in the Dera City Center. Yes. Yes. So you can come here also. The ma'am is here also. She will cooperate with you. She will give you the good discount as well. Okay. If you want to come here, you can buy whatever you want to buy. Look at this. This is the white gold. Look at this. Dear friends, you can come here. You can buy whatever you want to buy here in the Dera City Center. So madam is here. She is having a hair stall. So you can also buy here. There is so many things here for the 18 karat gold plated. Okay. So there is some customer is coming here for ma'am. She's having a very good and her shop name is Serendip Gems. Very nice. This is stall. The madam is here. She is guiding to the customer. Some customer is buying here. Okay, and the rituals. There is some top shop, very nice also. Okay, so this is also a very nice stall in the Dera city center. Okay, so everyone is buying gold, 18 carat. She's having a 18 carat here, and this is a good one also, good quality. Okay, my old friend, this is Argento, Argento, Argento. She's having some also for the ladies cosmetics things. She's having a lot of things here. Look at this. She's selling something artificials, maybe like a gold plating. So she's having some a lot of things here. Charitable items. See this one here. This is the perfume. Look at this, very nice. This is also have some special one, pens, watches, everything. Whatever you want to buy here. This is also watch store. See this one, the cotton on. This is very nice, huh? Cotton on. Very nice inside. Look at this, for the kids, for the women, for the gents all. You can buy whatever you want to buy here inside. This is in available here in the Dera city center. You can check this on. Okay, the very good, beautiful t-shirts and good quality as well, my old friends. Okay, this is for the ladies cosmetics. You can see this one here. Okay. Sephora, yeah, Sephora. This one, the company name is Sephora, and all cosmetics here, all cosmetics market is here inside. Yes, my old friends. So we are going now, little bit, moving other side. This is for the ladies zone, only for the ladies. Garments line here. So here is perfume stall here. You can see the perfume stall here. Look at this, all perfumes here. And this is the bags, ladies bags available here. This is for the garments for the ladies body. And this is the, here they have some, Damak. Thank you, sir. This is the Damak building. Also, they have some good projects here. Look at this, Damak. Very beautiful. See this one. They have some project of this one building also. You can see this one. They are making very beautiful, Damak. Damak is making a good one. This is also real estate, and the big one construction company as well, I think. See this one, they have a very good project as well. Look at this, how it's looking. See this one, my friends, like this. Very beautiful, See this one here, mashallah. Very nice, this one, see. This is the very beautiful, place. Dera city center. There are so many things here inside. You can buy everything here. You can sell everything, whatever you want to buy here in this one market. There's a big one shopping mall, Dera city center. Look at this. Everything is available here. Look at this. Everybody is moving, enjoying, eating, and selling, buying everything, whatever they are here. Look at this. Very beautiful. See. See this one, my old friends. All people are here. Look at this, my old friends. See this one, very beautiful. And also here. Look at this. See this one, my old friends. All is everybody is busy here. For some is enjoying, some is buying, some is shopping, everything's. Look at this here. Watsons. There was something inside for the ladies cosmetics outside. This is for all glasses, all kind of glasses inside. Look at this, very nice, beautiful. Here, this is Shoba Alkaria. Shoba Alkaria, this is, and this is someone developer here. Very nice. This is also. How are you, sir? Thank you. Yeah, no, already I got it this one information. This is some information. And this is very good project here also for this one. Look at this one. Someone developers. This is very nice also. They are creating this one new one. You can also come and you can get things.
You know this project?
Yeah, great project, huh? Where is this one project? In Burj Khalifa? Near Burj Khalifa?
In Barari.
In Barari. So this is very good, project here. They are making new one project also here. Okay, the Rivoli. This also you can see this one. Everyone is here busy and they are having some good things to buy here. Everyone is busy enjoying. Okay, and this is the glasses, sunglasses, watches, Omega. See this one, very beautiful. See this one, the watches. They are selling beautiful watches, also glasses, Omega. Look at this, my old friend. See this one, my old friends. Everyone is busy here. Too much, eating, enjoying, whatever they are here. Everyone is free here. You can see this one. The people, what they are doing here. Some is busy on the phone, some is busy on the buying, some is for eating. Look at this one also. And some is selling, some is doing like this also. Okay. So my old friends, this is some stall here for the mobile versions. Look at this. They are selling something. Mobile safety, save 50%. Look at this. They are having some stall for the watch, ladies watch. Look at this one. Yes, so my old friends, this is the very nice here shops here. Polo Club and Bath and Body Works like this. So this is the Dera City Center. So I visit you all Dera City Center inside, my old friends. So I hope you enjoy this one video and you like this one video also. So my old friends, if you like this one video, please subscribe it and share it, and also don't forget to share it and don't forget to subscribe this one video. Okay, and if you like it, so subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you so much. So keep in touch with the next video. So we'll break it new one video as well for you, my old friends. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to follow us. Okay, thank you so much.